We are back. Guess what is back? By popular demand, StellaZone Shito, StellaZone Shito chili sauce. All right, so see, nice packaging. Shout out to Set Echo, okay, Set Echo TV for these nice label. So yeah, our Shito is back. This is 16-ounce Shito for $15. That does not include shipping. So if you want to order, go ahead and order yours because they are going very, very fast. I'm telling you. I know people ask me like, but what is in? I have goodies in this Shito. Like, I have my starch up here, my shrimp, like all these, like, you know. If you've seen the video of the things my mom brought from Ghana, so I just made them into a powder and then I made the Shito with it. So this is tasty, delicious, made with love. Nathania did help me make these by trying to help me clean the containers. So yeah, order yours, okay? Place your order. If you have any questions, StellaZoneTV@gmail.com, StellaZoneTV@gmail.com.
Flavors?
Flavors, I have two flavors, just two, mild and hot, okay? Mild and hot, all right? So even the mild has heat, you know, to it. So yeah, let me know if you want to order before it runs out, okay? So see you next time. Order yours before it's gone. It's the Shito. It's the Shito lady.